Hello and welcome to Profit at Night. I'm Anjana Menon. Meanwhile, the 3,000 crore rupee Lavasa Hill project has been stalled since November 25th when the Environment Ministry served it a show cause notice for not having environmental clearances. Today, officials from the Environment Ministry are at Lavasa doing an on-the-spot assessment. In the middle of all the controversy and the half-done construction, NDTV's Srinivasan Jain spoke to Ajit Gulabchand, chairman of HCC. Mr. Gulabchand defended his project. He said all the construction has been within norms. HCC has had to take 76 permissions over a period of time and that NGOs have misled everyone.
Are you worried about the very future of Lavasa when you look at what's happening?
Well, this whole Kafkaesque journey began with a show cause notice from the Ministry of Environment, and which made some allegations that we should have taken their permission, where we were very clear that this permission was not required.
The perception was, or I believe the Environment Minister himself has said that it almost seemed vituperative. Your statements have seemed vituperative.
I thought that the order was the show cause notice was vituperative. We have responded relatively mildly to allegations of what is the norm, and against that norm, what is the violation. In fact, even their first notice, which clearly mentions may have done violations. So the issue is, these are generalities which Medha Patkar and her National Alliance have mentioned.
Okay.
And in these generalities have been repeated as the concern.
In the Environment Ministry's order.
But they are just concerns.
Okay.
They are not really charges. What we are saying is the objection has to be environmental. And how to address the environmental issues, we are more than willing to work together to create the next practice of environment here. So that we can build.
If they bring in certain suggestions or modifications?
Absolutely. We would be fine that we'll work on them, work with them about the next practices, create them, incorporate them, so we get a wonderful city. Ourselves, as well as some of the SPVs that have invested in Lavasa, have spent almost 4,000 crores on the ground there.
Okay. And today, because you can't continue any work, how much are you losing?
Well, we're losing about 2 crores a day.
You're losing 2 crores a day?
Yes.
A team from the Environment Ministry arrived at Lavasa today to take a look at the project that has been under a cloud in the recent past. They found a divided local community, with some opposing the project while others defending it.
50 साल में ये लोगों का जो सुख दुख में अभी तक कोई नहीं आया था। लावासा ने इधर स्कूल बनाया, लावासा ने यहाँ हॉस्पिटल बनाया, लावासा आने के बाद यहाँ रोड हो गई। इसका असर पर्यावरण पे होने वाला नहीं। ये लोगों ने एक झाड़ तोड़ने के बाद 100 झाड़ लगाया है। ये कमेटी आने के बाद सच क्या है और झूठ क्या है, वो सब इधर पब्लिक के सामने उनको मालूम हो गया है।
झाडीचे जंगल दाट झाडी जंगलाची होती ती पूर्ण सपाट झालेली.
A sharply divided local community in Lavasa faces the Union Environment Ministry team that is here to inspect alleged environmental violations in this 3,000 crore project. The battle between the developers and those opposing the project rather obviously being fought through local communities. In November, the Union Environment Ministry served a show cause notice to Lavasa alleging the company did not obtain environmental clearances. Work on the project was stopped. Lavasa moved the Bombay High Court that has now said the ministry's notice was issued in haste and without hearing Lavasa's version, and it should conduct an on-the-spot inspection before taking a final decision.
Well, we've been trying to focus on the various issues that are involved, and I think we have managed to substantially focus on them.
On day one of the inspection, the central team focused on the local community's response to the project, a community that appears sharply polarized, making the team's assessment of the project that much more complicated. With cameraman Afsar Ali in Lavasa, Imtiaz Jalil for NDTV.
Weather.
I suggest you do that, Anjana. It's pretty pleasant in Mumbai, and it's definitely better than Delhi, where I hear everyone is shivering in the cold.
Absolutely.